Alright, so right now I'm going to remove this paper air filter housing. I'm going to only loosen it for now so I can let all the oil that's in there come down so that no messes are made when we pull out this filter. Once we drain out all the oil and we've got the car back down, we're going to replace the whole entire paper filter. Alright, now I'm going to install my ratchet in here to get the filter. Now that's out, and we're going to loosen it. Alright, with the filter loose, I'm going to take out the ratchet. I'm going to let the oils go under the engine so all the oil can go simmer down. Alright, right now we're going to remove this here. This is the oil cap. We're going to be taking it out so we can let the oil drain faster out of the engine. Alright, right now we're going to be raising the vehicle off the floor so we can get to the service that is recommended. Alright, right now we're going to remove this here. And in order to take that out, we need to take out all these bolts that are located all around here. And to take those out, we need the 8mm bolt. So let's start taking these out. Put your hand over here because the moment you take this one out, this should fall. Because there's some. Oh yeah. All right, let me just loosen it real quick. All right. All right, over here you got the drain plug. We're gonna be taking it out so we can start draining the oil. All right. So right now, while we're draining this, we got the gasket out. We're gonna go on and replace the gasket with a new gasket, as it is always gonna be replaced after every oil change. All right, now we're gonna seal the drain plug. As you can see, there's not much of oil, no more in here, so that's more than good enough. We drained all of it out. Now we're gonna close this in. All right, we're gonna now torque this to spec so it can be always under specs. Huh? The torque spec for this is at 30 foot-pounds. Now that we have torqued down everything, we're gonna clean it up so everything can look nice and clean. All right, here we go. We're gonna put some brake cleaner. Okay. All right. Right now we're gonna put back the underside of the engine cover back on, so everything can be okay. I'm gonna start by putting just 2 screws in, one here. And another one over here. All right, now we're gonna gun the rest in. All right. All right. All right. So we're gonna put these. We're gonna put this one back in. There's one that goes here, and there's one that goes on the opposite side. Let's install this one first. All right, now we're gonna take out the oil filter, which is all the way down here. Since we took everything out, all the oil should have gone down. There should be no more oil in here. And now we're gonna place in the brand new one. All right. All right, now we're gonna swap out the filters. We're gonna take out this filter, but before we place in the new one thing we're also gonna do, we're gonna start taking out this gasket right here. Dig her in. And slowly take her out. Once you get this one out, we're going to take out these other smaller gaskets that are located in here. Alright, now we're going to take out the new gaskets and place them all onto the oil filter. Now we're going to install the littler one. There we go. And last but not least, we're going to install the big one. If there's any oil residue, you're going to grab it and start oiling up the oil rings, so that can make it easier to install back in. And once you've done that, you're going to grab your new oil filter and install it. Until you hear it click in, that's how you know it's fully in. And now it's ready to go back in. Alright, now we're going to install the brand new oil filter and its gaskets back into the oil filter housing. Make sure you by hand install it all the way down. Once it starts tightening up, go ahead, that's when we're going to start torquing it down as well. Alright, now that we installed it by hand, now what we're going to do, we're going to grab our torque wrench and we're going to install it and we're going to start tightening it, which torque spec is a grand total of 20 Newton meters. So until we hear the torque wrench say that's it, we keep on going. That is okay. All right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to start filling up the engine with the engine oil that we got. So let's start doing that. All right, we're going to start putting in the oil right now. All right, now that we finished putting in the oil, now cap, make sure it goes exactly how it is. Once it goes in, make sure it locks. And like that, you have finished your oil change, and now you got to move to the next step, which is the oil changing of the oil maintenance light.